Hi guys, it's Michaela again. I'm just going to do another unboxing of the stuff that I just got in from Simply Earth. This is just another example of some items that you could get with the discount code that I included in my last video, and I'll include it again in this video. This is one of the items that you could get for $40, and then here are some other items that you could get with that for $40. So take this out of here. So I have this oil called Sleepy that I got, and they give a free copy of this PDF version online, but I wanted to have like a paper copy on hand to be able to do a lot of these recipes. It's just a lot easier for me to have a book like in my hand to be able to do that with. So it's the essential oils for beginners, and let's see what this looks like. So this has a lot of recipes inside of it. So there's a total of 51 pages. So that's a decent amount of recipes, and this was only like $4. So 50 recipes for $4 is really great in my opinion. And then here's the case that I got, the holder. Let's get this out of here. Okay. Let's take a look at this. I'll just put this right over here. Oh, by the way, I have lemongrass diffusing right now, which comes in the April box that you could get that $40 discount code with, and it smells really good. It smells like I'm inhaling a cup of tea. That's the only way I could describe it. So it has their logo on it. This is looks like wood burned into it. Let's check out this. It's a pretty decent sized box. It's probably like, yeah, it's pretty good. It could fit a lot in here. And we have these. It looks like this could come out, I guess, if maybe you wanted to use the box separately and then have this just sitting, or maybe it makes it easier for it to clean. I'm not exactly sure how you want to go about with that, but I guess that does make it pretty simple to be able to take this out in order to clean the bottom of it if you have any oil spills or anything like that. But this is actually a really nice box. I've seen boxes on Amazon that are like solid wood like this sell for like $40 by themselves. And I got the recipe book, the Sleepy oil, and the box itself for $40, which is a great deal, I think. So I'll go ahead and include the code that I included in my last video down below, and then you guys could go ahead and use that with the link that I provide and get the same code as I did. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye.